So today we are on our sixth day of our informational books on writing informational books. And today I want to teach you that an important skill an informational writer uses to create cohesion or that creates the piece to actually stick together across a piece of paper. So parts of the text, paragraphs, sections, chapters, they're kind of linked together like a chain. Each subsection of a test needs to link to the other. Otherwise, it's just a bunch of separate facts, right? So, for instance, and the way that writers do this is they use transitional words and phrases, right? So sometimes they might want to clarify something and they might be like, after all, as to be expected. Or they might want to show a relationship between one or the other, as far as by the same token, comparatively, or they can just link something together saying, and also as an illustration of, furthermore, for example of. So I thought we would look here at chapter 3 of my book, Puggles. So I'm just going to read it to you. Puggles are a hybrid breed of dog. They are a mix of pug and beagle. The name Puggle is a combination of these two dog names. The Puggle make take on the characteristics of both breeds. If your Puggle has a flat face like a pug, you need to watch that it's time spent in the heat. The flat face makes breathing rougher in warm climates. If your Puggle has a longer snout, this may not be an issue for your pooch. So nowhere in there is that linked together. It's just like separate things. So let's look here. So Puggles are a hybrid breed of dog. Can we put something in there? Maybe specifically, they are a mix of pug and beetle. So I can put specifically right here. Right here, I would add that. Okay. The name Puggle is a combination of two dogs' names. The Puggle may take on the characteristics of both breeds. For example, for example, we could put for example right here. For example, if your Puggle has a flat face like a pug, you may need to watch its time spent in the heat. The um, After all, or as to be expected, the flat face makes it breathing tougher. So you see, if we add those in where I've had the little green boxes up here, it's really going to help your reader see how they're linked together. So, what I want you to do today as you work on your writing is I'll leave this transition words or phrases up, or you can hit pause on the video. And I want you to add some transitional words and phrases to some of your chapters.